Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this square ABCD that consists of 7 identical rectangles, as you can see in this figure. And moreover, each this rectangle has a perimeter equals to 112 units. And now we are going to find the perimeter of this big square ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. We know that all of these rectangular strips are identical and each has a perimeter equals to 112. And now let me go ahead and label these sides. Let's call this horizontal length of these rectangles. I'm going to call this one x units, x, 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 all the way x and x units. So the total length of this AB side is going to be x plus x plus x. We're gonna add all these sides. That turns out to be 7x. So the side length of this square turns out to be 7x. And since we are dealing with the square, so all the sides have equal length. So therefore, this side length AD is going to be 7x as well. Now let's focus on this shaded rectangle. And now let's go ahead and calculate the perimeter of this rectangle in terms of x variable. And now let's recall the perimeter of a rectangle formula. Perimeter equals to 2 times length plus 2 times the width. In our case, our length is 7x and our width is simply x. So therefore, we can write this thing 2 times the length is 7x plus 2 times the width is x. So let's simplify this one. 2 times 7 is going to be 14x plus 2x means that is going to be equal to 16x. So here our perimeter of this rectangle, each rectangle is 16x and our numeric value is 112. Let's go ahead and equate these ones. So therefore I am going to put these one equal to 16x equals to 112. Let's divide both sides by 16. So that means our x value turns out to be 7 units. So the side length AB of this square is going to be 7 times. We are going to replace x by 7. So 7 times 7 is going to be 49. Likewise, this is going to be 7 times 7 is going to be 49 units as well. And all these are going to be 49 as well. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the perimeter of this square now. And here's the formula for the perimeter of a square. 4 times s, where s represents the side length. In our case, the side length is 49 units. So therefore, the perimeter of this square is going to be 4 times 49. And let's multiply this thing. That is going to give us 196 units. In other words, we are just adding all these 4 sides of the square. So thus the perimeter of this square turns out to be 196 units. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.